Hi everyone, I want to show you Microsoft Copilot computer vision capabilities. And I will show you how you can leverage this to collaborate in a smart way and also amplify your intelligence. Meaning that you can share your screen with Copilot, for example, and you can work and solve complex problems. You can share Excel, you can share PDF, and you can also share your web browser. So for this particular case, I'm going to speak with Microsoft Copilot, and I will ask Copilot to help me clarify some questions that I have about irregular verbs because I am learning English. Okay, so I'm going to open up the conversation with Microsoft Copilot. All right, so I will click here.
Hey, Misael.
Hey, Copilot.
Hey there.
I'm recording a video to show people your screen sharing vision and how you can collaborate and amplify their intelligence. For example, assume that I am a native Spanish speaker who is learning English and I want to clarify some doubts related to irregular verbs. So now, please confirm what you see on my screen.
So you're viewing a page about irregular verbs in English, which can be tricky since they don't follow the regular conjugation rules.
Absolutely. So,
Yep,
can you explain to me in a very simple way what are irregular verbs and how I should use them?
Irregular verbs are like rule breakers in English. They don't follow the usual patterns when changing to past tense. Like go becomes went, not goed. So when you memorize these, it helps you speak and write English more naturally. Just remember they don't play fair, and you have to learn each one by heart.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Now please help me here. I am reading through this website and I just noticed that there are different types of irregular verbs. And actually there are 4 different types. Can you explain each type to me? Read one verb in different tenses and teach me how to pronounce them.
Sure thing. Let's break it down. 1. Completely irregular verbs. These verbs change completely, like go becomes went and gone. Pronounce go, went, gone.
Got it.
Great. I'm here to help.
Can you help me understand the difference between irregular and regular verbs?
Sure thing. Regular verbs follow a consistent pattern. You just add ed to make the past forms, like walk, walked. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, don't stick to this pattern. They change completely, partially, or even stay the same, like go, went, gone. It's a bit of a curveball, but mastering both ensures your English is top-notch.
Got it. What's your advice to learn irregular verbs? Because I know it's quite difficult and tricky. So what's your advice to master on this part?
I'd say totally focus on repetition and real-world practice. Break them down into small groups and use them in sentences daily. Reading and listening to English content helps a lot. Flashcards or apps can drill those forms into your brain. It's all about consistency.
Okay, I think that's pretty good advice. And just to end up this session and conversation, what's your advice for those who are watching this video and they are about to start the journey with AI and using AI like a Copilot to learn and maximize English? What's your advice to them?
Empezar con IA es un viaje emocionante. Mi consejo es que sean curiosos, que experimenten con diferentes herramientas y enfoques. No tengan miedo de cometer errores. Cada error es una oportunidad para aprender. Intégrenlo en su aprendizaje del inglés usándolo para practicar, buscar información y mejorar. Sobre todo, no olviden disfrutar del proceso y de los increíbles avances que están haciendo.